Introducing the Kinisi Max, a sit harness ideal for tree care and other aerial applications. Made in Wales by DMM and designed in collaboration with Treemagineers. The Kinisi is available in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. Let's take a look at the features of this harness. Features include a patented rope bridge adjuster, 2-part construction of the forward Ds that allow multiple bridge configurations, side rings, a floating forward D riser assembly and components that are webbing friendly for reduced wear, a slot for a non-PPE upper assembly, removable and washable waist and leg padding, a 2-part double adjustable aluminum buckle for the waist, and a 2-part single adjustable aluminum buckle for the legs. Leg elastics to keep the leg loops in place on your thighs, and a rear restraint point that doubles as a chainsaw lanyard attachment point. Movable webbing stoppers that allow customization of excess webbing length, and optional eyelets that can be added for a bosun seat configuration. Many of these components are replaceable. The harness has pre-cut holes and gear brackets that are perfectly suited to DMM accessories, such as vaults, mega vaults, micro vaults, stowaways, parking lot, XSRE carabiners, or even full-size carabiners. I hope you've enjoyed this overview of the DMM Kinisi Max harness. Please visit dmmwales.com for more information.